Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I'm a little late, but I wanted to share with you all our funny moments from 2020. So let's get into the video.
Oh, all right, it's ready. Okay.
So now if you would want, hold on. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're about to eat now. Thanks for watching. See you, bye-bye, baby. Bye.
How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be smoking some ribs. Really?
No.
Are you ready? Action.
What are you doing? So after scooping out the dough, if you see any that you don't really care for the shape, you can just roll them into a better ball. Okay, hon, let's see what you think. I can't take you serious. And there you have it.
Today we're gonna be using a dry rub for pork, some mustard, a stick of brown sugar. That's all I'm asking.
Why does she only do that when I'm about to talk? Just looking at your face. Oh my god. This is what Mom was doing last time. We ended up having bloopers. Okay. Is it recording? And you can put it on top to kind of help guide you. And you're gonna just give the edges a quick trim. Oh, no, I messed up. These scissors are...
I love you.
Okay.
I love you, baby. I love you.
Oh my gosh.
Action.
And now we're gonna head over to the stove. Hi, my love. Ready to cook? Yeah. Oh my goodness. I'll have one right here and one right below. And please, and download. Not download.
Down below.
Okay, don't listen to Dad. Okay, and her little feet. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get a chance to visit Farmland. Farmland? Farmland! Okay, hold on. Oh, God. Let's see. Well,
Honey, she's doing her outro.
Oh
What are you doing? And stop making noise.
I know. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that's driving me nuts. Okay.
Okay, can I?
Yeah, just redo that one. That's gonna be a good blooper. Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom wasn't even recording! We have grandma all over. This is hard holding both of you. Ugh, look at your chunk. You're a chunkster. Yes, you are. You're my chunkster, huh? Sugar. Can hear her snoring. Okay. Now I can't focus. Okay. And thanks again for watching. Oh, I forgot to say bye. Wait a second. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. You want to talk, baby? Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching our bloopers, and I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!